In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an alias in Zoho Mail. Whether you're managing your own professional email or overseeing a team, the ability to add an email alias can help streamline communication and enhance the overall flexibility of your inbox setup. We'll take you through the entire process step by step, so let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into the Zoho Mail Admin Console. This is where you can manage various administrative tasks related to your Zoho Mail account. Head over to your web browser and navigate to the URL mailadmin.zoho.com. Once you're there, sign in using your admin credentials. These credentials are key to accessing the admin features, so make sure you have them handy. With the admin console open, look to the left side of the screen for the sidebar menu. This sidebar is your gateway to different sections of the console, each dedicated to various aspects of managing your email environment. Here, you'll want to click on Users. This section houses all the users within your Zoho Mail system, and from here you can make the necessary changes to a user's email configurations. Next, find the specific user for whom you want to add an alias. If you have a large list of users, you might need to scroll or use a search function to quickly locate the person in question. Once you've found the right user, click on their name to access their detailed settings. Now, you're ready to add the alias. Within this user's profile, go to the Mail Settings section. This area lets you tweak how emails are received, sent, and perceived for the selected user. Look for a button labeled Add Alias and give it a click. You'll then be prompted to enter the new alias email address you wish to create. This could be something like support@yourdomain.com, marketing@yourdomain.com, or any other alias that fits your needs. After typing in the new alias, click the Save button to complete the process. It's important to note that Zoho Mail provides the flexibility to add multiple aliases for a single user. This can be particularly useful for businesses where individuals manage multiple roles or departments. Emails sent to any of these aliases will conveniently land in the user's primary inbox, ensuring that no messages are missed and reducing the clutter of managing separate accounts. And there you have it. You've successfully created an email alias in Zoho Mail. This simple yet effective tool can greatly improve how you handle incoming communication, allowing for a more organized and efficient workflow. As you've seen, setting up an alias takes just a few quick steps, but the benefits can be long-lasting. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing!